Hi, welcome to this analysis. NEET 2022 Chemistry Paper Analysis. I was just checking through the paper, how many questions are there from each subject, each topic, each part, what type of questions are there. A detailed analysis will go. This may be definitely useful for the coming year students. So, NEET 2022 Chemistry part we are discussing. Okay, I am associated with chemistry. I would like to go with chemistry. First, organic, there were 11 questions in section A, 6 in section B. Inorganic, 12 and 3. Physical, 12 and 6. So total organic questions are 17, inorganic questions are 15, and physical questions are 18. Organic 17, inorganic 15, and physical 18 questions are there. Of these, 31 questions are very easy questions. There is no need to use any pen also. No need to put it on paper. Directly you can answer. 18 questions I felt medium. Medium means my intention. They will take in around 20 to 30 seconds of time. These are no direct see the answer, see the options, see put the answer. That's all like this. But for this, maybe some calculation is required. Some calculation is required. So I took under the category of medium. Hard, I consider only one question, that aldol condensation question. Not it is hard, but the options and the given question, it may take some time. So I took this under hard category, and for medium, calculation parts I have taken. For if you are very good at calculations, you may feel these are also easy questions. But the most interesting point is paper is little lengthy. Okay, no direct questions are there. Most of the questions are either with many options or what is a matching type, statements type, assertion reason. So it will be taking some time. Then coming to the next, what are the topics in inorganic chemistry? What topics are covered? When I was looking, I don't want to take in an order. The question paper order I will take. Group 13, there was one question. From group 14, one question. So these two are from P block, class 11. P block of class 11. Then group 17, one question is there. Group 16, one question is there. Okay, interhalogen compounds question and about hydrogen sulfide and all these boiling points, that one question is there. So these two are P block, class 12. Fine. So 4 questions over. S block also 2 questions are there, very interesting. 2 questions are there. S block means class 11. These I am writing class 11. Then periodic table, one question is there. This you can consider periodic table general question also, that NEM, that question. Okay na. So this is again class 11. One question is there from periodic table. Coordination chemistry is very interesting. Coordination chemistry, one nomenclature question is there. One energy type of question is asked. So 2 questions are there. This is of class 12. Then D and F block elements. Interestingly, from this also we got 2 questions here. Okay. And this is of class 12. D and F block elements. Hydrogen, about hydrates and all, one question is there. This is one question from class 11. Chemical bonding. Chemical bonding, there are 2 questions about lone pairs and bond order type of questions are asked. Expected questions. And then coming to metallurgy. Yes, metallurgy is there. In metallurgy, one question is there, matching type of question. Or how many questions are over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Na? And environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry, I have taken under the category of inorganic chemistry first year. This question is there. So total 16 questions are there. Total 16 questions from inorganic part. Okay. No question is tough. All questions are, you can say, average questions only. Then coming to next, that is physical chemistry. Physical chemistry means calculations. So calculation, if you are very good, it will be easy. Solutions part, you can consider solutions. Actually, molality question is based. That is one. So class 12 it is. Then interestingly, electrochemistry, there were 3 questions. Okay, this is again of class 12. That means whenever that E naught values are mentioned, I have taken under the category of electrochemistry. So 3 questions are there. Atomic structure, atomic structure of class 11. Class 11, there is 1 question from atomic structure. And again, one more question is there. 2 questions are there actually. 2 questions from atomic structure. One is beryllium, sorry, not beryllium, lithium and helium. Some radius point of question is there. Stoichiometry, stoichiometry of class 11. This is 1 question. States of matter, interestingly, 2 questions are there, and both questions are easy. States of matter, 2 questions are there. Kinetics, chemical kinetics, didn't expect, here also 2 questions are there. Solid state, 2 questions are there. 1 question is little Frenkel defect, now that is little bit tricky. And surface chemistry is also 2 questions. Surface chemistry with again 2 questions. One is enzyme based question is there, that I am taking under the surface chemistry only. Ionic equilibrium, 1 question. Chemical equilibrium, 1 question. Fine. So this side I am writing first year, this side I am taking second year. So how many questions are over? 1, 3, 2, 2, 2. 10 questions are here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 questions are here. Chemical equilibrium 1, states of matter 2, kinetics 1, solid state 2 questions, atomic structure 2 questions, electrochemistry 3 questions. So these questions are present. Stoichiometry 2 questions are there, you can consider. Thermodynamics of class 11. That graph question is there, na? Yeah, I forgot. Thermodynamics 1 question is there. So total questions are 18. 8 year, 10 year. So total questions are 18. In that, class 11 questions are 8, class 12 questions are 10. So class. So total 18 questions are there. Calculation based are there. Not too many calculations, but if you are not very good at calculations, you may little feel about this. Rest, fine. Coming to organic chemistry, the most interesting part. Organic chemistry, we got here class 11 this side, class 12 this side, you will write. See, Grignard reagents, which I should write 12th class side. Grignard reagent, that carboxylic acids, you can say this is carboxylic acids or Grignard reagent. 1 question is there. Okay, easy question. That's a definite easy question. Chemistry in everyday life. I didn't see a question related to biomolecules. Okay, biomolecules I didn't see. Chemistry in everyday life, 1 question is there. Polymers, 1 question is there. Polymers I am taking under organic chemistry only. And aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, phenols, ethers. According to organic chemistry, second year part, NCERT, we can say this is oxygen containing compounds. So in this, actually, you can say aldehydes, ketones, 2 questions are there. Alcohol, phenol, ethers, 2 questions are there. 1 is combination type of question. So total 5 questions you can say. That is general properties they asked about boiling points and all. Then purification and estimation, Geldahl's method question is there, na? So that comes in class 11 actually. Estimation question, that is of class 11. 1 question is there. So this I am not taking here. After this estimation, amines, 1 question is there. Amines actually, yeah, 2 questions you can take amines, no problem. IUPAC nomenclature, 1 question is there. Very easy question. IUPAC nomenclature. Then alkenes. Alkenes also comes under first year. Alkenes under first year. Alkenes, 1 question is there. Easy question only, not very tough. That is ozonolysis question. That's a very regular expected question. Isomerism. That is stereo isomerism, but dead easy question. First definition you learn about enantiomers, the non-superimposable. Okay, there ends the matter. Non-superimposable mirror images. Benzene, 1 question is there. This you can take under benzene. Or here halobenzene meaning is same. Chlorobenzene preparation they asked. So one question you can consider here. GOC you can take one question. So if you take all these questions, it should be around 16 questions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions you can take here. 1, 2, 3, 5 questions are here. 8, 9, 10. So total number of questions are 16. How do I feel? According to my knowledge, 31 questions are easy, 18 questions are moderate, and only one question I felt that is little bit tough. Final word. What is my opinion about paper? Okay, it's my personal opinion. Paper is easy, as most of my students said. Most of my students who got around 650 to 685 like that, those who got these marks, all they said paper is little lengthy. Okay, bio for them bio they took around 50 minutes, but most other students who is getting around 500 marks they said that bio they it took lot of time, more 1 hour 15 minutes plus. This they didn't expect. Generally, bio generally students they complete in 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Then they came to chemistry. Chemistry also took some time, and surprisingly, physics was very easy. Physics easy, sir, but we didn't get time to complete physics. That was final word. Chemistry point of view, NCRT, NCRT, NCRT. If you are good at NCRT, that is enough. Throw all other reference books, no need of any other books. Just go through with NCRT. My dear 2023 students, those who are preparing for 2023, all of you, I suggest you chemistry, don't go away from NCRT. NCRT, NCRT, NCRT. Only NCRT is enough. Right? For more details, you can contact me, and with more information, I will be always updating the details. Signing off, Lucky Sir. The views and everything expressed here are my personal views. Okay, I am not criticizing anyone. Thank you all.